Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. और आप सभी को महाशिवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Wishing every one of you a very happy, prosperous Mahashivratri and hope this night brings a change in your life and transformation. So, इस महाशिवरात्रि के अवसर पर I have come to announce very quickly a free webinar which I am going to be conducting on a Saturday, which is 5th of March at 11 a.m. So I thought, why not to come live and talk about this free webinar and invite you all to be a part of this life transformation journey, which is going to happen on 5th of March morning, 11 a.m. It's going to be a wonderful market analysis that we are going to do. And you are going to learn something so powerful and so simple technique that you can start applying it in the very next day when you are trading the market. अगर आप निफ्टी को ट्रैक कर रहे हैं, अगर आप देख रहे मार्केट्स को, तो आप समझ रहे होंगे ओवरऑल ग्लोबल इवेंट्स के कारण इतनी उठापटक हो रही है. Markets are going up and down like crazy, right? Now, in this kind of a market, either you can just look at the news and decide that because of the news I'm losing money, or you can use something very powerful tools like timing the market and combining with candlestick and trade using these methods. It's a scientific, systematic approach which I'm going to share across. Over the period of time, I have learned that timing the market is so important and you can actually do it so wonderfully well. अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर आप मार्केट को टाइम करना चाहते हैं, it is very important that you understand the concept of time tools. You might be thinking that in this kind of event, when there is the conflict between Russia, Ukraine, so much happening globally, pandemic just got over and this is starting now. In this kind of an event, you would rather not trade. I would say that the market is actually doing what it is supposed to do. So, for example, I follow a specific time rule. I announced about few days back, a week back, that there is going to be a low forming on a specific day, and it happened. I also announced that there is going to be a specific time when the low will be formed, and exactly at that time वो लो बना और मार्केट वहीं से बाउंस बैक हुआ. ये जो मैं टाइम करता हूँ मार्केट को, you might have heard so far people talking about never time the market, but I'm telling you, you can actually time the market and trade it very well. It's a very powerful tool which is only available to a limited few, and it is my mission and vision to ensure every single trader should be knowing about this simple powerful tool of timing the market. We will look at lunar cycle. Yes, lunar matlab moon, and moon cycle. We know tomorrow is Amavasya, today is Mahashivratri. So how does that amplify in terms of market outlook? Yes, I'm not an astrologer. I don't even know how the planetary movement happens, but this powerful technique can actually change the way you trade in the market. And I've been doing a research for more than a decade. Now you might be thinking I'm just someone who is coming here and conducting a webinar for you. No, listen me out. You can. I was working with Lehman Brothers in 2008. You know that filed for bankruptcy. I did my CMT, Chartered Market Technician, cleared all three levels in just 1 year of time. I'm an author of an international book, Effective Trading in Financial Markets Using Technical Analysis, which is globally accepted, and it's a wonderful book. I've been I've been mentoring thousands of traders, and we are creating traders. That is possible. You can also see me on various TV channels like CNBC TV 18. I'll be there tomorrow at again in the morning. Then you can see me on ET Now. You can see me ET Now, Swadesh. I've written for journals of technical analysis, and I've been speaking at various international forums, including China Investment Forum, where I talked about how to use these methods of time and candlestick, and it was so well received that I have been selected for Hall of Fame for them. And why don't you want to learn something like this that even I'm imparting to China? आपको क्यों नहीं सीखना है? So this webinar, this free webinar, I just need your 2 hours of time. In these 2 hours, I am committed. You are going to be simply thrilled to see a science which is used for looking at the market in a very simple step by step process. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको खाली रजिस्टर करना है ऑन wavestrategy.com/webinar. The link is already shared across in the description box. You can simply go and share, register yourself. So I'll just share it across on the chat also. Once you register there, you will be able to get a link. This webinar is going to happen on Zoom. So I'm sharing the link. You will be able to get it. You will be able to get that link on your email ID of a Zoom webinar just a day prior to the event. Morning, we get thousands of participants. Last time, many were not able to attend. So I am conducting this as a free giveaway. To make it more lucrative, once you register, you will also be getting 3 bonus videos which you will be using to learn and trade systematically in the market. So, agar sochoge, there is nothing to lose by simply registering for this webinar. You are going to learn a scientific way of looking at markets. You get free access to the bonus videos. You know how the market is being looked at by hedge funds, big players. वो लोग कैसे करते हैं यार ट्रेड ऐसे मार्केट एनवायरनमेंट में. You see 800 points down. Yes, on Nifty, you see recovery back by 600 points on the upside. Don't you think there is ample of opportunity? Are you able to grab that opportunity and trade it on your, rather than losing on both sides, you can actually make money on both sides, provided you understand the risk associated with it. तो ये सब चीजों के बारे में हम इन डेप्थ में डिस्कस करेंगे. क्या होगा ये 2 घंटे के वेबिनार में? We will look at candlestick. We look at how to combine that along with a simple price action reversal area. We will apply this technique for option trading. Yes, you can directly apply time cycles, which I say how to time the market directly on an option chart. And option chart पे timing tool apply करेंगे, candlestick apply करेंगे, and we will derive the trade. In our previous webinars, we have in fact forecasted date, time, और वो दिन से market reverse भी हुआ. So people were simply thrilled and they were like, wow, in these 2 hours, I just changed my life. Why not to do that? This will create a source of passive income. When I say passive income, होता क्या, अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हैं, अगर आप बिजनेस पे हैं, you want to create a parallel source of income for yourself, you can do that by trading in options, but you should know the correct way of doing that. If you are possibly wanting to quit your job and become a full-time trader, you can do that. I'm sitting at my resort, Cloud9 Hills Resort in Lonavala, as I'm speaking right now. That's a possibility for me because I'm not bounded by anything. I can be anywhere, any part of the world, and I can trade. I can speak with you all. I can teach. I can mentor. That's the possibility that the market gives it to you. So in this kind of volatile market environment, don't get anxious. Learn the technique, learn the ancient science that only few knows, and trade absolutely with confidence, less anxiety, understanding the risk. Yes, that's very important. Majority of people do not talk about the risk. I will talk about that कि क्या होता है, कैसे stop loss place करना है, कैसे option में trade लेना है, and all of those things can be with you if you join me for the program, which is on 5th of March, Saturday at 11 a.m. It's from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. You just have to visit wavestrategy.com/webinar. Link is in the description and be a part of this wonderful journey. So welcome everyone, and it's going to be fantastic. I'm going to be conducting this webinar in English and Hindi both. तो आपको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है कि समझ में आएगा कि नहीं. आपको कोई सॉफ्टवेयर की जरूरत नहीं है. You just require to be present in the front of the screen. I will tell you how to plot, how to look at that, what is candlestick, along with how to combine with timing the market and lunar cycle. All of those things I'm going to give away. So be a part of this wonderful program on Saturday at 11 a.m. This is Ashish Kyal signing off. Wishing you all a very happy Mahashivratri and have a wonderful night and enjoy yourself. It's going to be simply fantastic. Learning the market in this kind of a market environment is going to be simply mind-boggling when you see the date and the time that we derive the market should turn, that we are going to do on Saturday at 11 a.m. Thank you very much. Ashish Kyal signing off.